Hi Bhaskar.
Hi.
We're here to discuss CRISIL's independent equity research coverage on Somany Ceramics. CRISIL has a fundamental grade of 4 on 5 indicating superior fundamentals. Could you please take us through the factors that you've considered to arrive at that grade?
Somany is the second largest player in manufacturing of tiles in the organized segment of the industry. We have a fundamental grade of 4 on 5. There are four key factors that drive this fundamental grade. The company has a strong brand under the name Somany, and this has got strong recall amongst the consumers. If you look at the distribution network of the company, it has an extensive distribution network, and they have a strong network, especially in the northern and northeastern market. Thirdly, if you look at the financial performance of the company, it has been strong. The company has delivered a PAT growth of approximately 40% over the last 5 to 6 years, with a ROE of close to 20%. In terms of the industry growth, the industry is expected to grow at a rate of 12 to 14% over the next 2 to 3 years. This will augur well for the company, and the company, we believe, is well positioned to take advantage of this growth.
What are the key risks that the company faces?
The major risk that we see for the company is the input prices. If you look at the gas prices over the last year, it has increased significantly, and this has affected the margins of the company. Going forward, I think gas prices will be a key monitorable for the margins of the company.
Somany has been able to maintain a 20% plus ROE for the last 3 years. Could you please elaborate on that?
The company has a relatively lower margin, approximately 9 to 10%, but they have an extremely good asset turnover ratio of close to 2.5. Their working capital is extremely well managed at approximately 55 to 60 days. Also, if you look at their entire capex strategy, they have not gone out and put too many greenfield projects. In the last couple of years, they have taken smaller companies and acquired 25 to 26% stake in these companies with the right for first refusal for their production. So this has enabled company to ramp up their production, but at the same time not stretch their balance sheet and therefore maintain their ROEs.
Could you take us through the valuation approach for Somany?
We have a DCF based methodology to value the company, have a fair value of rupees 80. This translates into a multiple of 7x over FY14. We believe given the strong ROE and the balance sheet of the company and a good management, this kind of multiple is justified.
Thank you.
Thank you.